Guys, go! Go! Number 18X. There's some in the treehouse too, guys.
Oh, yeah.
And you can go up front. You don't have to stay back here.
Let's go back front. I got the biggest egg. Oh, yeah. Look at, I got the biggest egg.
That's a special one that has a lot of extra tickets in it.
Mr. Unfly. Show the kids up there.
Joe! You're only getting pink eggs, honey.